On my old flame, watching my page, say they miss what I gave them. I'm doing fine now, I feel amazing, I'm out of their range. Keep them guessing when they ask about us.
Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm ByeByeKnots. I hope you're all doing well. I'm doing amazing. Let's give a warm welcome back to Unice hair. I know you've been seeing a lot of Unice lately, and so be it, for good reason, because they have beautiful wigs, and every time they reach out to me, I'm like, yes ma'am, for sure. Today what I have installed is a 24-inch 7x5 pre-everything balayage highlight glueless wig. This is in the loose deep texture with the fluffy curtain bangs, and I have the density 150%.
Show a little appreciation cause your lover stayed. You know I ain't pressed for fame. Cloud chasing, they all lames. Trust me when I say I'm still the same. They gon' understand it one day, yeah. Yeah, told him that I give him life. He said, right. Now we can leave from my side. Oh my God.
You know I ain't chasing fame. You caught the vibe that I'm sending your way. You see that I'm still the same. Real one, I'ma never change my way. As long as I'm here.
It does come with a bang, okay? So you can see that it comes with a bang, and the knots are pre-bleached. I love wigs with bangs. I was always a bang girly back in the day, so for me, like, the fact that this is popular now, I'm loving it. I'm like, yes, I'm eating it up. And I'm gonna show you guys start to finish how easy it is to install this wig. It really is beginner friendly. It does have a drawstring as well to tighten the back. We can talk through this install because this is fresh out of the box. 7x5 parting space gives you a really nice amount of lace space for you. I'm gonna hook my comb in. My nail just popped off. I did fix my nail because we're not going to be on camera looking dusty and crusty. I am going to cut my bangs a little bit because this is a curtain bang. Technically, you can just wear it like this. Let me see if I want to cut it and make it just like a full-on bang. I'm gonna comb through it, and then I'm probably gonna recurl the curls after, but in the meantime, let's recurl the curl.
You got the vibe that I'm sending your way. You see that I'm still the same. Real one, I'm in there.
You don't have to do any of this stuff. I am just being extra, okay?
You never leaving my side, you in for the ride.
I look so good with bangs. Nobody can tell me nothing. Spared you the boring part. I did recurl the hair. This is what she's giving. I like to go through my curls with some BioSilk. Just a tiny bit. And then go through it. Comb through it. Like so. And there we have it, guys. And it's got the part it's giving, that's her hair. Look at this. Wow. So pretty. Like, these highlights, just absolutely gorgeous. Gorge. Wow. Here's one, see the back. What is the back giving? You can wear it in your face like I'm wearing it now, right, with the bangs full on, or you can part the bangs as well. I'm going to show you guys a few different looks before we go, but I definitely wanted to start off the video with it in its traditional style, how I would mainly wear it, because this is realistically how I would wear it. It does have a drawstring in the back, so we can tighten the back and also put it up, which I will also do before we go.
Someone just tell me why I do shit.
This is cute. feel comfortable and confident wearing this wig because it's not going to slip off your head mid-conversation. You know, when you wear a wig glueless and you're talking, you have too much emotion and your wig goes like, sure. Yeah, that's not going to happen here. Yeah, so this is a super cute style. For the ponytail, the full-on ponytail that I'm going to do, I'm just going to try to add the hairs to the existing ponytail. I think it's going to be easier that way. What more does a girl want? This is so cute. We're here again because I just happened to put the hair up. And something told me to turn the camera back on because I just did a little 1, 2, 1, 2. And this is what the result was. So I was like, girl, I need to come back on camera and tell the girls. Because I need to tell you guys, go get you this wig. Hands down, one of the best, most beautiful Unice wigs that I've seen. Now, is it a little dry? Just a little bit. Expect a little bit of dryness. But can you fix it with some BioSilk? Absolutely. 10 out of 10, definitely recommend. It's probably softer than my natural hair on any given day, so I ain't mad at it. It's beautiful, comfortable. It's giving me all the feels, okay? I love it so much. Link will be in the description box. Don't forget to check that out before you go. Now, I really gotta go now this time. Okay, bye y'all.